Hello everyone, my name is Ellie Dummett and I'm the owner of Loyalty Spark, and we can be found here at loyaltyspark.net, and we have just launched in the Marlboro area a mobile loyalty rewards program that merchants can offer their customers instead of using the old-fashioned punch cards. Now, what this allows you to not only do is to interact with your clients and customers, but it also allows your consumers the ability to maintain, track, and redeem all of their rewards on their mobile phone, and allows you to be able to get some key demographics on how and who are visiting and who your loyal customers are, and how you can try to get them to come into your location more often. So what we're looking at here is the page where a consumer will go to find loyalty programs. Loyalty Spark will promote this site to get consumers to go here and search for loyalty programs. Here they'll be able to find and put in their zip code and find those programs all listed here. Now these are featured areas or featured businesses that we have in our directory today. And like I said, we just launched, so this is going to be growing on a daily basis, and each business that's in that directory will be featured on this page, and people who are searching for these programs will be able to look and see which program they want to join. So let's go and put in our zip code and go find. Now you'll see here that these are the businesses that are within the Loyalty Spark directory, and these could be across the country, these could be New Hampshire, they could be anywhere, and they will all show up here. And so be aware that this is constantly going to be changing, but this is where your business will have an additional point of exposure on the web. And what you can also do, just so you can have an idea, is you can view this map here in a satellite version too, and zoom in real close and see like buildings. So those are just things you can do. But the key here is that these businesses are listed here, and if I wanted to go in and sign up for one of these, I would be able to do that by clicking there. So if I'm on a PC, this is what they will see. If I'm on my cell phone, this is what they will see. And these fields on the left can be, you can decide whether or not you want these to be required, so you can get the information and the demographics you're looking for. I always try to tell everyone to get their customers to fill out as much information as possible, because it helps you target what they're looking for and what their interests may be. So if you can, that's the way it should be presented. Now on the right hand side here is the actual punch card that's basically on your phone. So in this case, you'll see the punch card, which is normal. Each time someone visits and checks in, this would go into a colored dot. They can check in via a security code, or they can check in with a scan QR code, which you would maintain at the location. You can also, in addition to the person checking into your location, you can also put out promotions or events that are coming up and ask them to share it on their Facebook and Twitter pages, so that you get more exposure. In return, you are now able to offer them a check-in or something else, so that they can get a reward for helping you promote an event that you're offering. And the system keeps track of all that. Now let's do a check-in real quick, and in this case we're going to check into Sunlovers Tanning, and I happen to know what this code is. I hit enter, and it says I've successfully checked in. This will show up on your phone, and you'll see now, instead of me having 4, I have 5. And their codes or security codes, they can change on a per check-in basis, they can change on a daily basis, weekly, monthly, or they can never change at all. Depending on your type of business will determine where you think your security needs to compensate for that based off of the frequency. So that's basically what you have for your punch card. And everything, this person could have multiple loyalty programs, but they're all in one location that they can use and basically continue to redeem and come back and get these rewards that you're offering to get them back in there much sooner. What else? So that's what it looks like from the business, from the consumer side. Now from the merchant side, we will go over to the back end. You as the merchant will be able to see how many members you have on a monthly basis and how many new members you have. You'll be able to track their gender, their age, their zip code, their just total demographics. You're able to go into your website and you're able to make sure that you want to change the name of the phone number, the web address. You can do that. You can also select which fields you want to make required, and you can test this out to see if people are willing to provide more information, but it's just something that you have control over. So that's another thing. You also want to make sure that you're connected to your Facebook and Twitter accounts. And what this does is whenever someone redeems a reward, it shows up on your Facebook page or your Twitter account. And once again, it shows someone else getting a reward and you're promoting that on your site. And it happens on their site, also on their Twitter and Facebook accounts also. The next thing you want to do is programs. This is where you actually change or maintain your rewards, share rewards, and your actual reward or your loyalty program offer. It's very easy to do. You click edit, you go here, you change this to whatever you want, whatever they're going to buy or spend description, and you also do whatever you're going to give them in return. You can change the number of check-ins. You can say when this reward that they've earned expires. You can say how many times they can check in per day. And these are the security code features, which, if you were changing it on a per punch basis, you would basically go to this website and whoever's at the desk, they would refresh it and the new code would show up, and then the next person would be able to use that new code. Same thing with the QR codes. We provide you with everything when it comes to this to market and get people to sign up. And this is what one of your flyers could look like. You can do something with it yourself, or this is what we provide, and it basically shows a copy of what it looks like, and it also provides them the ability to start to earn by clicking on this with their QR code scanner and going from there. Now let's go back here, and the messaging part, this is where you're not only able to this is where you're able to send messages to everyone that's within your loyalty program. With the packages that we have, you're able to send the messages that are included in your package. Now, what we're doing as a promotion is to get businesses to sign up and experience the success that this can offer. So one of the things that we want to point out to you is that with Loyalty Spark, you can basically sign up for free. I create your website, the app, the loyalty. I can do everything for you, or you can do it yourself. It's totally up to you, but everything that I provide you is available to you. And then what we do from there is I give you everything, and you get your first 50 loyalty members for free. So you get to use the system to acquire these people. You get the signage, you put it up, you get people in there, and you can test it out. You can send out a promo and say, listen, and see how they respond and how it all works. After that, we go to the next level up from there. And you'll notice as this, with us just coming out, we're trying to get people involved, get them see how it works, build a directory. And these prices will fluctuate. And normally there would be a setup fee for putting all this together because it does require some time and effort. But I am tweaking and managing the number of messages you can send out, how many customers per package. But right now we have the free to 50, which is what you would sign up for if you wanted to have all this available to you. Try it out for the first 50 customers, and then after 51 it goes to the $69 per month. Now my experience has been talking to people that they've been paying $99 for just a basic text message marketing, and when you compare what that is able to provide versus this, there's a huge amount of value that this system offers. And in addition to that, you not only get up to 200 people on your list, but you're now able to send out 800 messages. Now, I may change that, but the key is this is where it is. And even at $149, you're able to send 2,500 messages and have 1,000 people on your list. So I don't know anywhere that you can get this kind of pricing for this kind of volume and have 1,000 loyal members on your list that you can send messages to at any time. So I think there's significant value here. In addition to that, you're also able to get a Facebook fan page if you don't already have one. We're able to do a mailing out to 3,000 people. 1,000 per month, and we also design a coupon that we send to these people who have opted in to get these kinds of coupons in the area. The other thing that we will do is we are able to provide location-based marketing. So if you had an offer you want to make available to people, anyone that's in a geographical radius of your location within a certain distance will get a promotion on their phone that will tell them you're near XYZ business, you can come and visit this and get this reward. And these people are in the immediate area. So this is all a part of what we offer, and the key here is, you know, we try to bring as much value to the table as possible to get more people into your business. And the other point I want to make here is once these people are on your loyalty program, you are able to communicate and promote and advertise them for pennies on the dollar versus using traditional marketing methods. So I hope you see what my objective is here, and I'm here to help any way I can. And we're just launched. Like I said, my logo was supposed to be done today, so once I get that, that will be there. But if you have any questions, you can call me at 508-948-0934. If you're ready to get started, all you have to do is go to Free to 50, sign up, and I'll get started, and I'll start putting this all together for you. And that's it. And I look forward to hearing from you. I hope to have you as a client. And until then, you take care, and bye-bye.